You can also use the halter tie if you need to examine the claws of cattle. The cow should be safely restrained in a crush before you attempt this. Place the rope around the axilla of the cow, as shown. Make sure the short end of the rope is in your right hand. Cross it over the long end, supinate your hand to make a loop, and pull the free end of the rope round the long end and through your little loop. You can then drop the noose down to the fetlock of the animal and pull it tight. Applying tension to the rope should get the cow to lift its leg, and you can tie that then round the crush. The nice thing about this loop is that the free end is always on the lateral aspect of the animal so that you can safely loosen the knot. Okay, let's do that a bit more slowly. Make sure that the short end of the rope is in your right hand. Cross the short end over the long end and supinate your hand to make a little loop. Pull the free end of the rope around the long end and through that little loop that you've made. Pull the long end to tighten it. You can then drop the noose down around the lower end of the leg and pull it tight by pulling the long end. Applying tension to the rope will now cause the cow to lift its leg, and you can then attach it to the crush. With the halter tie, the free end of the rope always ends up on the lateral aspect of the limb, which is then much safer for you to undo the knot.